Hey there everyone, I hope you're all fine. So in this video we are going to learn how to salvage items in Eatventure. So without further ado, let's get started. So if you have collected the items from the box and now you want to salvage it, you can just go to this section here. Oh wait, the investor has come. So you can get free gems from him. Right now that's not the topic, but I will just go ahead and claim it. Okay, so I'll do it later. So you can do that. Okay, so we will go and salvage our items. So click on your profile icon here and you can go to your hats, your clothes, or any of these equipments that you want. And now let's say if I want to salvage this item here, you can just click on this up arrow here, and once you click on it you have to just select the items and keep selecting it, and it depends on how many items that you want to salvage. So it tells you that this many items will be salvaged here. So now you can just go ahead and click on the upgrade button here. So that's how you can salvage items in Eatventure. So that's it for today guys. Hope you found the video helpful. See you soon. Have a good day.